This is the extrusion machine, the V3 version. We have 25 mm screw in it, and we're gonna turn it on. So this is the PID unit. We have a single PID for 3 heaters in it, and currently we have 50 degrees, and this light shows that the temperature is increasing. The power is going to the heater. This is a forward and reverse switch. There is no particular need to put it on the machine, but I have added it in case if there is anything. So yeah, let's wait. So you can see the temperature is rising, and I'm gonna put the video on hold. This is a 2 horsepower motor, and this is 70 rpm gearbox, the warm type. So yeah, you can see like there's a screw. We have been experimenting with this machine from a very long time, so we have been trying with colors and all, due to which the hopper has got the red color. So I'm gonna show you the nozzle. So this is the main nozzle, and there's an attachment, like you can make beams and all that. So yeah, so in the PID there are 4 buttons. Like this one is when we have to adjust the temperature, we just press it and we can just move it down to our desired. Like currently I'm gonna use the PP, that is polypropylene. So I'm gonna put it to 195, and after which I'm gonna press enter. So yeah, I mean it's set to 195, and we just wait till it reaches to the desired temperature. So till the time, so I guess it has reached to the desired temperature very quickly. This is working good. Till the time I can show you the other parts of the machine. We have got 3 heaters, 3 band heaters of 70 mm long and 40 inside diameter. And yeah, and apart from that, this is a approximately 500 mm barrel, and this is the hopper. So actually we have different shape of hoppers available, so currently we are using this one. And yeah, let's get this machine heat up, then we will continue. Okay, so now it has reached almost desired temperature. Now before starting the machine, before starting the motor, what we usually do is we open this nozzle and clean it up, so that it won't create it won't mix with the current plastic that we are adding, or it won't create any extra pressure on the machine. So we're gonna open it with this pipe wrench, and I'm gonna show you it. Okay, so we have opened the nozzle and have cleaned it up as much as we can. Now I'm gonna put it back over here, and let me show you it's like the screw and the overall working while it's open. So yeah, so you can see this is the nozzle, and I'm gonna put it back. It's just a little bit hot right now. So yeah, I have tightened the nozzle using this wrench, and now I'm going to show you the nozzle, the end nozzle that I will be using. It's quite an oval shape, and I'm gonna just put it, just screw it in front of this. So yeah, so this is the basic. I mean, if you want to make some bots or something like that, you can use this type of nozzle. So I'm gonna tighten it with a wrench. So yeah, you can see like it has started flowing, and yeah, there is the spaghetti like thing. So this is PP that we can play with the temperature like accordingly. Like this is not very hot, and we can just increase it up. So yeah, this is the machine. So there it is. Thanks.